how to gift a game on Steam. First, you want to simply open your browser over here, and inside your browser, you want to simply search for Steam over here. Once you're inside the Steam website, what you're going to do is you want to simply go to your store over here, and if you want to add it to your cart, you want to simply select the game and tap on add to cart over here to add your game over there. Once you have added your game, what you can do is you'd be able to go to your cart over here, tap on cart option at the top right of your screen, and by doing so you'll be able to find your games added to your cart over here. You can simply tap on this option called file for my account over here, and by doing so you'd be able to find an option called this is a gift. You want to simply select this option, tap on continue to gift option, and here you'd be able to select your recipient, type it out any kinds of gift message over here as well, and you'd be able to schedule your delivery as well. Once you have selected all of this option, you can simply continue to payment from here, tap on continue to payment, and by doing so you'd be able to give to your game on Steam. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.